hello. I hope you are okay. So my name is Mrs. Beverly Suarez. You can call me Ma'am Bev. And ang video lessons na ito ay mapapanood nyo sa aking channel sa YouTube kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng different video lessons na ilalagay ko sa isang playlist para madali nyo pong mapanood. Ang nilalaman ng mga videos na to ay ang lesson natin sa bawat araw. Okay? So, let's start learning. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Anong oras naman to pinapanood? So, right now, ituturo ko sa inyo ang module number 5. So, coming from the Google Classroom, makikita nyo dito ang ating WHLP kung saan, syempre, bisitahin nyo yan para alam nyo kung anong sasagutan. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 na activities sa module number 5. Ang what I know, what I have learned at assessment. Okay? So, syempre, ang attendance ay mag-enable during your online classes. And then we have here the soft copy of the module and then narito yung tatlong activities. Ang what I know ay mag-enable po sa bukas. Okay, yes, bukas. Ayun, every Sunday ko naman yung ina-enable. So, just you can see what's here. So, of course, it's very normal. So, ganyan naman yung tsura ng mga assessments ko sa inyo. Assessments yung mga pinapasagutan ko sa Google Forms. And then, ayan, it's a skills test na yan lang ulit. Just be honest in answering the skills. It's 1 to 5 and then click submit. Okay? So, ganun. So, ayun na nga. Dito sa module na ito, ay ito ang matututunan nyo. Kasi ang module title natin ay Conduct Testing and Documentation. This is the last module for the first quarter. Okay. So, ito ang mga objectives. The use of diagnostic tools. Okay, na ginagamit sa pagtitest ng hardwares and other peripherals. The testing procedures in testing the computer and the proper way of external visual inspection. Sama na dyan ng internal inspection. Okay, so what I know, yun yung pinakita ko kanina. So, ayan po yun. So, just be honest in answering the what I know. Okay, and then, dito na tayo sa what is it. So, dito, you will follow in order the following to perform essential skills in conducting tests on the computer system. So, syempre, OHS is very important bago mag-conduct ng test. Then, check the circuits and the system being isolated using the testing procedures. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, i-check mo na mismo. Okay? Next, test the devices, system, or installation to determine its conformity with the requirement. Now, testing mo na siya. After mo-test mo, inspect the installed devices and system to ensure conformity with the requirements. So, i-inspect mo na. Kasi may problema nga kaya tinest mo. So, nakita mo may problema, i-inspect mo na. Then, from there, do the technical report on the test conducted and follow the procedures in forwarding documentation. Okay? So, of course, you need to understand that it is very important na i-consider mo ang health, safety regulations, and good practices sa pag-conduct ng testing and documentation. So, report any accidents na mangyayari. Be responsible enough for your own health and safety when moving these components. Do not cause any electrical hazards. So, make sure the workstations meet safety requirements. We must protect ourselves, no, and the users and other people around us to avoid any unnecessary legal action for being reckless and being in an unsafe working practice. Okay, so be sure na safe lagi. And use the tools and utilities. Okay, so the following are the different diagnostic tools in testing hardware components and peripherals. When we say diagnostic tools, ito yung mga tools na ginagamit na pang-test at pag-diagnose ng equipment. And these are the following. Digital multimeter. It measures electrical values like the voltage, the current, and the resistance. Okay, very standard tool to ng mga technician, lalo na sa mga electronic industries. So, yan po ang itsura ng digital multimeter. Merong standard multimeter, mas mura siya, affordable, pero ano siya, may, ano yung scale? Yon, yan, parang scale siya. Ito, digital kasi. Okay, Loopback Adapter is the second diagnostic tool. Itong Loopback Adapter na to is it used to test network configurations. Kung saan di mo nakakailanganin ng Ethernet cable to test two computers if they are properly networked. Okay, so yan. Loopback adapter. Ganyan po yung itsura niya. Okay, we also have the toner probe, which is very useful din kapag napakarami mo ng kable, no? So, napakarami na kasi nakakonect na computer. So, yan, para mahanap mo, nasan yung kabilang dulo ng kable na yon. Okay, for you to find individual leads. Okay, so that kung makita mo kung ayos pa ba yung kable o kailangan mo mag-crimp ulit. Okay, so yan, tumutunog yan. Yan, yung toner probe. So, just like those three na hardware tools, kailangan din natin ng software tool. Okay? Na gagamitin mo alongside with the hardware tools, okay? Para ma-troubleshoot mo yung system. So, ang mga tawag doon ay mga programming tools or software development tools. Okay? These are computer programs na pwede mong gamitin sa pag-create, debug, at pag-maintain ng isang program, or you can use this to support other programs and applications. Okay? And here goes the different different disk management tools. Okay? So, ayan po sila. Disk management, it initializes disks, creates partitions, and format partitions. Okay? Format, syempre, prepares the hard drive. By the way, lahat ng mga ito ay na-access, no? As in, pag tinype mo sa computer mo, halimbawa, disk management, ayan, create format disk partitions. Yan po siya. Okay, that's the disk management. When you want to format a flash drive, o, diba, right-click format, o, yun po yun. Yan. Okay, so, ayun po, format prepares the hard drive to store information para ma-format siya. Scan disk or check disk, checks the integrity of files and folders by scanning the file system. Okay, it checks kung yung surface ay may physical errors ba. Okay, yan. So, actually, itinatype tong check disk sa command prompt. Yan, yung code niya. CHKDSK. Okay, next, optimize drives. Before, ang tawag dito ay defrag. Okay, optimize the space on the hard drive para mas faster. Okay, so, ayan, nandyan din yan. Actually, kahit nga i-type mo defrag, nandyan pa rin siya. Ayan, o, defrag and optimize drives. Okay, this cleanup, alongside with the defrag yan, clears the space by searching the files that are safely deleted, like those na mga cookies, o kaya mga nasa recycle bin. Yan, system file checker, SFCs, scans the operating system's critical files, yung may mga corrupted. Okay, and yan. So, ito na yung mga testing procedures. These are the steps to guide you through what needs or what is needed to be done during the installation and the testing moments. Okay. So, first, gather the test information. So, syempre, iraran mo muna yung test required by the procedure, and you should also record the test sa logbook mo to know kung ano yung pass. Pag nag-pass yung equipment, ibig sabihin gumagana siya. Pag nag-fail, yun, take further action na yun. And then, validate the test information. Check the data you gathered to make sure it is correct by running the test again. Okay, then, third, respond to the test information. Okay, recognize which test shows the problem. Okay, from there, pag nakita mo na yung problem, pwede ka na mag-troubleshoot. Okay, for example, ayan, yung ping na ni-use sa pagtetest ng network, kapag nakitang may request timeout, it shows that it is not successful, so ito troubleshoot niya yung network. Okay, so yan. And then lastly, checking specification. This is the final step, but still very important to make sure that the installation has been met. Okay, like kapag naiayos na, di ba? Na i-troubleshoot na, check it again and verify if gumagana talaga. Like for example, if the user requested an upgrade to make their display run at 920 by 1200, then the technician should check if the graphics card and the screen can do the 920 by 1200 resolution. Okay, so yun po. Ganon. Okay, now let's go to the external inspection. These are just quick inspection kung yung external or yung mga components mo na nakakabit sa labas ay properly connected, no? Kasi minsan ang troubleshooting naman ay may kinalaman sa naglulus lang yung connection. So, yan. Paano gawin ng external external visual inspection. Syempre, turn off muna the computer and everything. Verify that the power cables are properly connected. Minsan kaya hindi nag-on kasi loose yung power cable. Yan. Verify that the keyboard and the mouse are properly connected. Okay, ang mouses nowadays, USB type naman na yan. Wala na yung PS2. PS2 is the one na may bilog, na may color purple. Purple nga ba o green? Basta yan. Serial mouse, wala na rin to. Ito yung kakaibang, sa serial port siya nilalagay. So, hindi nyo na naabutan to. Hindi ko na naabutan serial mouse. PS2 lang na mouse ang naabutan ko. If you wanna see a picture ng PS2 mouse, search kayo sa net. Yan po yung itsura niyan. Images. Siya nga yung green. Yung ganyan yung itsura. Okay. So, ayun. Yan. Bata pa ako naabutan ko yan. Serial mouse. Ganyan yung itsura serial. May ganyan pala, no? It exists. Long time before. Okay. Yung mga serials. Mga lumang computer na yan. Usually ganyan, no? Yung may trackball. Dati ginagawa namin dito, natanggal namin. Tapos pag nililinis yan eh. Okay. Tapos pag binato mo sa salamin, basag yung salamin. Grabe yan. Ang tibay yan. Grabe. Ang bigat niya. Okay. So, ayan. Yun pa. So, check lang yung connections talaga kung properly connected. Verify the network cables kung properly attached. Baka kaya walang internet kasi nakalus yung network cable. Yung Ethernet cable. Verify any devices attached to the serial parallel port if they are connected. So, yun talaga. Kable talaga ang chine-check, no? Kung firmly attached ba siya. The video interface cable din, kung firmly attached ba siya sa monitor mo. Okay? Yung monitor, check mo rin kung may damage or improper settings. Yung keyboards mo, kaya naman pala hindi mo gumagana ang letter F kasi may dumi sa ilalim. So, mga keyboards po, tinatanggal isa-isa yung keys niya, tapos binabrush, nilinis kasi yan. Ayan. And, inspect the exterior. No? Kung anong may mga sign ng physical damage. So, after that, you answer this question. Tatanungin mo na sa sarili mo. Does the inspection reveal any problem? If yes, go directly to the removing and replacing of parts. If no, observe the boot. Baka sa operating system kasi ang problema. Yon, ganun po yon. So, kapag operating system ang problema, ayan, titingnan mo na yung boot routine niya. Okay? So, ayan, how to check it? No, yung boot routine. If the system is off, turn it on. Check the power supply fan kung umiikot. Ayan. So, tanongin mo ulit yung sarili mo, does the fan run normally? If yes, go to step 3. If no, troubleshoot the power supply. Okay, so yan. Dito sa step 3, titingnan mo yung num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, kung yung light indicator niya ay umiilaw ba. So, dapat umiilaw usually ang num lock, no? Ganun yon. If the flash indicators are approximately lighting, yan, 10 seconds after the boot routine starts. If yes, proceed to step 4. If no, troubleshoot again the power supply. Maybe faulty talaga ang power supply. Yan, kasi ano rin naman yan eh. Napapalitan, consumable po yan. Next, number 4, during the boot routine, you can check for the following indications. Beep codes, ito yung tunog. Kapag may kakaibang beep, well, usually, may short beep lang yan pag magbo-boot up ng computer. Pero pag tuloy-tuloy na siya, kakaiba yung beep niya, mahaba, there's something wrong. Okay? System error messages na magpo-provide din yan ng status sa pag-boot ng system mo. Makikita mo agad yung status doon kung anong mali. Kung anong may pagkakamali doon. Pagka-on, di ba, may black and white doon na post, yung POST. Yun yung flash, saglit na flash lang yon ng text. Okay? Also, you can test the diskette drive. Wala nang diskette drive nowadays kung umiilaw siya. Optical drive, yes, meron pa yung iba. Kung umiilaw sila, baka sa kanila yung problema. Okay, observe the monitor screen for the diagnostics menu. So, yun, usually, makikita mo sa screen yung diagnostics niya. Okay, kung anong problema na. So, let's go to the internal visualization or internal visual inspection. Of course, turn off the system. Remove the side cover. Okay, verify the chips. Baka sa loob na ang maluwag. Okay, baka maluwag lang si RAM, kaya tunog yan, tut, tut, tut. Ayun. So, yun. So, ano lang siya? Diinan. Okay? Diinan. Ayan, firmly. I-press firmly siya. Yung jumpers ay sa ano to eh. front panel connectors to. So, baka kasi yung ibang units may jumper talaga na naka-attach. So, kung talaga nandun siya. Okay, pero usually, yung iba naman, yung ibang front panel connectors, wala naman jumpers yan. Okay, so, ayun, don't exactly need to do the number 5. Yung cable connectors din, yung mga SATA cables, ayan, baka naka-loose. Yan, just firmly attach it. Then, reinstall the cover, reconnect, and turn it on. Okay. Pag gumana, edi very good. Pag hindi, go back pa rin sa troubleshooting hanggang sa malaman nyo kung ano ang nagfo-fault. Ano nagkakos ng fault sa kanya. Okay, so ayan. So, the next activity that you have to do is the what I have learned. Ayan, number 2. So, dito pictures yan. 3 pictures, identify lang them. Ano ulit yan? Nandun yan kanina, doon sa sinabi ko. Yan, itong mga to. Yung different diagnostic tools. Yan po yung 3 yan. Okay, sasagutan yan sa e-learning. Okay, nasa e-learning yan. I'll just go to the e-learning. So, ito yung inyong account, no? Punta kay Computer System Servicing. And then, usually nasa discussion naman yan. Ayan. So, syempre huwag kayo magsasagot dyan. Sa e-note kayo magsagot. Okay? Kopyahin nyo lang yung topic. Copy, Control C. Punta kay e-note. Post activity. Yan, first quarter. Ayan, lagay yan, module 5, what I have learned. And then, type mo na yung answer mo sa number 1, 2, number 3. Hello, nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung question doon. Pwede ka naman click control from the keyboard and then click mo yung discussion para ma-open ulit siya sa kabilang tab. Yan, para dalawa yung naka-open mo, diba? O, pwede yun. Okay, so yan. Type mo lang yung answers mo dyan. Then, click next and save. Okay, next naman ay assessment. So, itong assessment na ito ay nasa assessment tab. Okay, so bistahin natin siya sa e-learning. By the way, kung wala kayo nakikita sa discussion, wala ko kayo nakikita, refer to the module itself. Nandun din naman yan sa module, yung tanong. Okay, and then, yan, sagutan nyo sa e-note. Okay, so nasa ng assessment, nandito siya sa assessment. Ayan, module 5, 6 items. Ayan. May mga choices dyan. Just click on the answer of your choice and then click submit assessment. Okay, and that's it. Okay, doon na po natatapos ang module number 5. Huwag kalimutan, every time matapos kayo ay i-accomplish ang individual learning monitoring sheet. And by the way, the summative test is already provided. The summative test details, rather, ay provided na sa inyo. Meron niyang video tutorial na nauna ko nang i-upload, diba? Kung paano siya sasagutan sa Quizalize. Nandito lang siya. Yan yung upper right corner, Quizalize. And then the code ay andito rin. There's the code. Per class magkakaiba ang code. Okay, and also dito rin sa announcement, nandyan din yung code, kung ano yung class nyo. Okay, so, ayan. And then, bukas siya mag-enable. So, wag lang din kalimutan sagutan ang summative test for this week. Lahat naman yan for the module number 5 at summative test. Naka-due date hanggang, kailangan hanggang October 31. Or else, sorry, I will no longer accept. So, pagdating ng November, tandaan, ako ay magkakumpita ng grade. So, yun lang po. Naway nakatulong itong video tutorial na to kung paano yung accomplish yung 3 activities sa module number 5. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!